The Gartol miter shears come packaged in a cardboard box nestled inside a piece of foam. The shears come with no assembly required as the blades are already attached. There is an adjustable slider on the scale surface which allows for a variety of angle cuts. The angles are controlled by a dial slider with the angles clearly marked on the scale surface. The integrated black rubber handle allows you to grip the shears in your hands. There is also an orange safety clasp that allows you to lock and unlock the handle. The default positioning of the clasp is in the lock position. When in lock position, the jaws of the shears are closed. The packaging also comes with two spare stainless steel blades, each wrapped in their own separate plastic sleeve. To unlock the shears for use, slide the orange clasp downwards, which will then allow you to control the opening and closing of the shears while clasping the handles. To lock the shears, return the orange clasp back to the default position by sliding it back up. Once locked, the shears will not open and will be ready for safe storage. The shears can be used to cut wood. Here I'm setting the angle using the adjustable slider. Then I'm placing a wooden dowel onto the scale surface so that wooden dowel sits right up against the slider. Using a firm grip, close the jaws of the shears to cut the wooden dowel. Repeat as necessary with other pieces of wood, quarter round, PVC strips, molding, and other light materials.